Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video is going to be a Amazon haul. I believe this is the first time I'm going to do a Amazon haul that I don't get like a PR packages. So I bought this one for my own stuff. So I bought this one with my own money. So without any further ado, let's go started. So here is the box, and then I'm going to open it. Most of the time I buy my books at Amazon because sometimes they are more cheaper there compared to buy them in a bookstore like Barnes and Noble, because I don't have a membership there anymore. The first things I have in here are like fashion jewelry rings. I don't know how much are they, but yeah, let's go open them. As you guys can see, I really like rings. So it is nice because they have this kind of velvety pouches. So after I use them, I can put them in this pouch, or whenever I wash my hands, I can put them in this pouch, especially whenever I go out. So first it is this one. This is really nice because they look like the luxury ring that I see on the fashion style people, and this is in the size 7. And then I'm going to link down below the stuff where I bought them, just in case you guys are wondering. So this is how it looks like, and then here it is. It is really big, but look at it. Oh my gosh, it looks fancy. It looks real. It looks real too. It looks big. Let's see if it's gonna, yeah, it works in my my pointy finger too. So nice. This one like kind of more of a on trend right now. And then I bought the same size, like size 7, because I believe this, I used to have like size 5 in here, but I gave birth to my 2 children, so now I have 6 in here and 7, 8. So just making sure. So here it is, and then it looks nice in the middle. I always use my I always wear my rings in the middle. I don't know why. I feel like they're more secure in the middle. So here it is, and then I'm going to show you guys how they look like an actual one, because in here you guys won't see it. I can wear it in here too, my ring finger. And here I believe I need to buy like size 8. So yeah, this one is perfect in the middle. It looks bigger on me because it's like more chunky, but the rhinestones are really perfect. I'm looking for a necklace that will gonna match on this one, so we'll see. Here is the book. I did read the As Old as Time. I'm going to show you guys that one. Let me see. So I finished this book, and I bought this one at Target, and then I just bought it like whatever. And then this is like the Twisted Tale by Liz Braswell. So I did like this book, and the next book they have is like the Mulan, the Reflection. So I did buy it, and then I just got it here. So this one I will give this like 8 out of 10 because I like the story, the back story, and then the last part, it didn't give me like a satisfaction, like a happy ending thing. So I feel like this one needs a book too. So so let's go on this book. I bought this one, and this is like it says, what if Mulan had to travel to the underworld? And I like mythology, and Hades is one of my favorite person in Greek mythology. I don't know why, because maybe I like how it looks like in Hercules. So, and then I like his wife too, Persephone. Yeah, Persimmon. I'm just gonna call her Persimmon because she always go inside the underworld whenever it's fall, so, and winter. So this one is Reflection by Elizabeth Lim. So it's different author, but they have the same twisted tale. So we'll see how it is going to be. And then I'm going to show you guys the other books that I bought from Amazon, because we're talking about books right now. So I have 3 of them right now here, and then I do have the other book downstairs. So first I do have the A Touch of Darkness by Scarlett St. Clair, and this is the Hades and Persephone story. And like I said a while ago, I like Hades, so I bought this book. And this is all about like Persephone is the goddess of spring in the title only. Since she was a little girl, flowers have only shivered at her touch. So I cannot wait to read this book. This is the one that I did buy at Amazon. This is The Things We Never Got Over by Lucy Score, and it is much more thicker compared to the first one. So this one, it is like romance book. So I really like to read romance books, and we'll see how it is. And I believe, in my own perspective, I really like to buy books by their cover. So yeah, so the last book I have in here, the other one I have is downstairs. I'm reading that one whenever I have time. It is the, I forgot what is it called. It's the I'm going to show you guys what it is in here. So the last book I have in here is this one. This is the Love and Other Detours. I did read the Love and Gelato like in 2016, 2017, and I forgot what's the story about. The only thing I know is the main lead went to Spain, Italy, and then she's trying to find the her mom's first love, because her mom she passed away with the illness. So that's it, the only thing I know. But I did buy the books together. So this one's Love and Gelato and Love and Luck, and we'll see how it is. So, and then they have the third book, which is the Love and Olive. So I don't have that one. After I finish this book, I'm going to buy that one, because I believe that one is like new. And then the last product that I did buy is this one. This is like a leather bag lipstick, and I don't know how you pronounce this, Linzies. So here it is, and this is how it looks like. They're like lipstick set. And then I'm going to link everything down below on this description box, so if you guys are interested to check this out. It is like kind of like the dupe for Dior. Is it Dior or YSL? I'm not sure. Is it? I think it's YSL. And then it does have this cane, which is really nice. So I think you have to press the one in here so that they're gonna come out. I'm gonna put them again so that you guys can see. And then this smells like vanilla. They're not really like the same smell like the, and then this, how they look like, they're really nice. This one looks like more of the bluish reddish. This is like kind of like terracotta, and this one is like more on the reddish color, like, so I cannot wait to use this one. Although they don't have the names, they are like in the, like, this is 21, 405, 206. And then I'm not gonna swatch them right now because I'm planning to do a video dedicated to this one, like ASMR and like a cute packaging lipstick set. So, and I believe that's it for you guys. I hope you did like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.